3 people for my speech. Hello everyone. I'm going to talk to you today about the benefits of breastfeeding over formula feeding. Did you know that according to the American Academy of Pediatrics, that if 90% of Americans breastfed their babies for the first 6 months, we would reduce infant deaths by 1,000 per year. First, I'm going to go through a few points: how to easily breastfeed, the benefits of breastfeeding versus formula, and how to maintain breastfeeding your child for up to a year or older. First, getting to know your baby. As soon as your baby is born, he or she is already equipped with a natural instinct to nurse. Nursing can be done within the first hour of life. It is said that if a baby is laid on a mother's stomach, it will try to migrate towards the breast to suckle. There is no right or wrong way to nurse, as long as you and your baby get there. You can lay back, you can sit in a chair, sit on a couch, lay in your bed, anywhere you feel comfortable. Breast milk is already the exact temperature for babies and helps to prevent hypothermia when the body temperature drops too low. A mother's breast will easily make and supply milk directly in response to a baby's needs, supply and demand. The more you nurse your baby, the more milk you will make. At birth, a baby's stomach is the size of a hazelnut, and after the first week, it grows to the size of a walnut. It looks like this. Hazelnut, walnut. Newborn, 1 week old. Big difference. Next, the benefits of breastfeeding versus formula feeding. Breast milk is easier to digest than formula. Early breast milk is called colostrum, or liquid gold. It is called liquid gold because it is rich in vitamins, or it is rich in antibodies and nutrients to protect your baby. Breast milk is easier to digest than formula. The proteins in formula are made from cow's milk, and it takes time for baby stomachs to adjust to digesting it. Breast milk also fights disease. There are cells, hormones, and antibodies in breast milk that protect babies from illness. This protection is unique. Formula has yet to be able to match the chemical makeup of human breast milk. Formula-fed babies are at higher risk of lower respiratory infections like RSV, asthma, and obesity, type 2 diabetes, and frequent ear infections. There are great health benefits to the mother and the environment when breastfeeding as well. The CDC reports that mothers who nurse are at a substantially lower risk for ovarian cancer, breast cancer, and postpartum depression. The cancer percent is less than 5%. According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, the United States would save $13 billion a year in medical costs for fully breastfed babies than formula-fed babies because they have fewer illnesses and go to the doctor less often. These goals of mine, this is what you can do for maintaining nursing for up to a year of age or older. There are huge financial benefits to breastfeeding. Formula and supplies can cost an average family over $1,500 a year or more. Pumping and storing milk can provide your baby many months of 2 years of nutrition. Women can visit their local public health department or their local WIC office, which is Women, Infants, and Children, to obtain lactation advice and or attend breastfeeding clinics. And most of all, they have breast pumps you can check out on loan if you cannot afford one. Groups such as the La Leche Club will also come to your home if you are experiencing difficulty at no charge to get you on the right track. Storing breast milk versus formula. You can store breast milk at room temperature for up to 6 hours. Once you mix formula, you must use it immediately and discard anything that remains. Breast milk can be frozen for up to 12 months in a deep freezer. Formula may never be refrigerated for more than 24 hours once it's mixed and unused, and must be discarded after that. Formula can never be frozen. Before I leave you today, I hope you are better informed of the benefits of breast milk versus formula. There are many organizations that can help you and your baby in making this incredible life choice. Remember, breast is best. Is there any questions?